Hey guys, in this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to get Google Calendar on your Windows desktop. Easy and fast. Open your web browser and go to the Google Calendar. Click the Settings gear icon. Go to Settings, add Calendar. From URL if you want to sync external calendars. For a desktop app experience, download Google Calendar for desktop via Progressive Web App. Click the three-dot menu, install Google Calendar. Once installed, it behaves like a native app. Always on your taskbar, resizable, and notifications enable. Sign in with your Google account and all your events, reminders, and invites sync automatically. You can also pin the app to your start menu or taskbar for one-click access anytime. Now, your calendar is always visible and easy to manage without opening a browser. And that's it, Google Calendar on your Windows desktop is ready for 2025. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.